Good morning, students. Welcome to Chemistry Online classes. As we have discussed in our previous classes, what is base, what is acid, and some examples of acids and bases. Now you know that how to identify if substance is acid or base with the help of indicators. These things we have learned so far. Children, you know that base have its own unique properties and acid have its own unique properties. What will happen if we mix acid and base together? Do you have any idea of the resulting solution? Is it will be acidic or basic or neutral? Okay, we can check with the help of an experiment.
Take 5 ml of dilute basic solution in a beaker. Here we take dilute caustic soda solution as base. Then add few drop of phenolphthalein indicator and stir well with a glass rod. What is the color of the solution? The color of the solution is pink because it is alkaline. Then add few drop of dilute acid by means of dropper and gently stir. Do you see any change in color? Here the color of the solution gradually decreases. That means the basicity of the solution decreases while adding acid. Continue adding a few drop of acid solution while stirring till the color change. Now add carefully one more drop of caustic soda solution and again a drop of acid solution. What happened to the color? The solution becomes colorless. Here, while adding acid, the alkaline property destroyed. Otherwise, while adding alkali, destroyed acidic property. So the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. It contains only salt and water. So it is a neutralization reaction.
So, the reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization. When an acid solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. So the resulting solution neither be acidic nor be basic. It will be neutral. A very neutralization reaction, a new substance is formed. It is called salt. These salts may be acidic, basic or neutral. Along with salt, water is formed. So, when acids react with base, it's formed salt and water. You know, children, while doing this neutralization reaction, the container we are using will get hot. That means, in this experiment, that means in neutralization reaction, heat will evolve or heat will produced. That's why we can feel hot while touching the container. So, acid is mixed with base. What will form? Salt, water and heat. This heat will raise the reaction. Children, we would have all these things and experience all these together in our chemistry lab. Unfortunately, the time is not supporting us. An example for neutralization reaction, when we mixing hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide solution. Here hydrochloric acid is acid, sodium hydroxide is base. you know that definitely a salt will produce. Here the forming salt is sodium chloride, and also water will produce plus heat. So we have finished today's topic. Today's topic was neutralization reaction. We can now define neutralization. Neutralization means it's the reaction between acid and base and producing salt and water along with heat. Hope all you have understood about neutralization. I have attached notes and test paper. You have to attend the test paper sincerely. You can go through the URL that I have provided here. We will meet in the next session. Take care. Thank you.